Hey guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to make the support and resistance lines based off of AJ's notes from AwesomeCallsTrading. I have the notes down here. If you want to go on his website, it's AwesomeCallsTrading.com. You can pay $200 a month to get these notes, and I use them every day, and you can make really good money using the notes in a few minutes. I did a simulated trading since I was testing the software to make the streaming video, and I'm going to show you how well it worked using the notes. So you can see on my monitor here, I bought this NVDA 720 call at 831 and I sold it at 835. So off of his notes, it straight up says right here, do not long unless pop at the open to 718. So I drew a line at 718. Look for a quick 5 to 7 point push. Drew the line there at 723 to 725. So if you zoom in on the 8:30 time, I bought it at 8:31. You can see it surpassed that mark, his green line. I draw it green because I always say green means go. That's when I enter the call. I don't want to enter right away, but like I'll enter when I start seeing it really break that line. I'm definitely risking it. I could, per Mark Moses, he would say, don't buy in the first 2 minutes. So if you'd be safe, you would buy it at 8:32. I took the risk at 8:31 and I bought it right when it broke AJ's lines. Do not long unless pop at the open to 718 right here. And I bought it at 8:31. And then at 8:35 right here, AJ said it was going to 723 to 725. I don't ever really try to risk capturing the full amount of gains. I would happily take the bottom amount of the top, So I sold it right when it hit that. And if you look, that NVIDIA call 1700 for one contract, so 17K. You sell it for 1855. I mean, you're gonna net $1,550 from 831 to 835. So in 4 minutes, you can make 1550. Now, obviously, look at the chart. You could have really raked it in and made a ton of money, but not looking to do that. Just looking for a base hit. And AJ's notes gives it to you because he tells you to, enter calls right here. This was the short position. Obviously, this wasn't happening. The bottom side right here. He gives you that. But, obviously it was going long. Enter at 8:31. I'm out at 8:35. 4 minutes. This is only a 4-minute trade. And you can net 1550 with 10 contracts. Yeah, it costs $17,000, but you're only risking that amount for 4 minutes to make 1550. So to do the lines, I'm gonna just reset this to show you. So AJ, he puts out these notes. He gets on the computer at like 8 o'clock. By 8:15, these notes are out. So I'm already on the computer, like anxiously waiting for these notes to come out. And then right when the notes come out, I look. Okay, hold on, man. I'll be there in a minute, okay? I'll look and see that I'll look for the pop at the open to 718, and I'll draw the line at 718. And I won't make it exact, but I just want to show you the steps on how I do it from beginning to end, because I was kind of curious and wanted to see how someone actually does it off his notes. And I'll make that line green, so I'll just change the value exactly to where he says to buy it, And then quick 5 to 7 point push. $723. And then for the top of 725, that's the one that I'll make yellow. Just to, I mean, obviously went higher today, but sometimes AJ is eerily right with the topping. So I always want that line to kind of show me where the topping might be for the day. Draw that. For the bottom side, which it didn't even happen, he said if it snaps 710, extend to the right. And if you never did a drawing before, you would just go to drawings, drawing tools, and the trend line. Should have said that at the beginning. 710, and it'll flush to 700. And if for me, if it's off the chart, I'll just draw the line anywhere and I'll extend it to both sides, and I'll just edit the properties and change it to whatever number. He said it was going to 700 to 702, so I'll do this one, 702, and then the 700 line, just draw another straight line, change it to 700, and make it yellow, and it'll just place it where it needs to go. So that's it. That's how you draw the lines. And as you can see, it, I mean, he couldn't have called it any more perfect, and that's why he is the best teacher and just pretty much a savant. I don't know how he does it, but I've been in his room for a few months now, and he's right like 90% of the time. So I've learned to trust his notes and just repetitively do this every day. So thanks for watching the video. Let me know what you think. Y'all have a good one.